Apple is the world's most valuable company. But behind the shiny iPhones and sleek Macs lies a darker truth that few people know. From secret tricks to shocking practices, today we reveal 10 mind-blowing facts about Apple that will change the way you see the brand forever. Here's something interesting. Warren Buffett once held over $100 billion worth of Apple stock, calling it one of his greatest investments. But recently, he's been trimming his stake, raising questions about what he sees behind Apple's glossy image. Let's begin. Number 1. Planned obsolescence. Apple has been accused of slowing down older iPhones through software updates, forcing users to upgrade. They even admitted it in 2017, calling it battery management. But many saw it as a clever way to make you buy the next iPhone. If you've ever felt your 3-year-old iPhone suddenly get sluggish right after a new model launched, you've experienced this trick firsthand. Number 2. Repair monopoly. Apple doesn't want you repairing your own devices. Their products are glued, locked, and require special tools. Independent repair shops struggle because Apple restricts access to parts. That means you pay hundreds more for simple fixes. That cracked screen you could have fixed for 2,000 rupees outside, at Apple, the same repair can cost you 15,000 rupees. Number 3. The secret behind their profits. Here's a shocker. Apple makes more money from services like App Store cuts, iCloud, and Apple Music than from some of their hardware. Every app you buy gives Apple a 30% commission. Even if you never buy an iPhone again, you're still stuck in their ecosystem. Think about it. You might pay only once for an iPhone, but you're paying every month for iCloud storage just to keep your photos. Number 4. Controversial labor practices. Apple doesn't directly own factories, but relies on partners like Foxconn. Reports have surfaced about harsh working conditions, underpaid labor, and even worker suicides in factories that make your iPhone. That shiny iPhone in your pocket may have been built by someone working 12-hour shifts for a fraction of its cost. Number 5. Tax secrets. Apple is a master of avoiding taxes. For years, they shifted profits to countries with lower tax rates like Ireland. In fact, at one point, Apple paid as little as 0.005% tax in Europe. While you pay 20 to 30% GST on your iPhone purchase, Apple finds ways to pay close to zero on billions in profits. Number 6. Psychological pricing tricks. Ever wondered why iPhones are priced at $999 instead of $1,000? It's a marketing trick. Even the choice of limited storage options is designed to push you into buying the higher-priced model. That's why a 128GB model feels too small. And suddenly, the 256GB model at a higher price looks like the smarter deal. Number 7. Removing features to sell more. First it was the headphone jack, then the charger in the box. Apple calls it environmental responsibility. Critics call it a way to sell more accessories. Notice how you had to buy AirPods separately or a charger even after spending 80,000 rupees on a new iPhone. Number 8. The walled garden. Apple locks you into their ecosystem. iMessage, AirDrop, FaceTime. These features don't work seamlessly with non-Apple devices. Once you're in, it's hard to leave. Ever tried sending high-quality videos to an Android user? Suddenly, it looks pixelated and awful. That's Apple keeping you inside the garden. Number 9. Censorship and control. Apple has removed apps and content in countries like China under government pressure. That raises questions about how much control they hold over free expression. If an app you use suddenly disappears from the App Store in your country, you have no choice. It's gone. Number 10, the cult-like marketing. Apple isn't just selling technology, they sell a lifestyle. Their events, secrecy, and sleek ads are designed to create a cult-like following. Millions line up every year, not just for a phone, but for a status symbol. That's why people camp outside Apple stores overnight, just to be the first to own a phone that looks almost the same as last year's. So, the next time you admire an iPhone, remember, Apple's empire isn't just about innovation. It's built on psychology, control, and secrets hidden behind the glass screen. Even Warren Buffett, who once made Apple his biggest bet, has started reducing his holdings, proof that even the world's smartest investor may be cautious about the future. Which of these shocked you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening truths.